course, I'm so happy and I can explain how I feel. Because even though I have I have a child who is young as 3 years old, I was able to finish my course with honors. I want to thank my classmate and also my professor. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you once again, my mentor, Mr. Kamal, for being such a great teacher and his deepest affection. His inspiring lesson gave my life direction. To our new student, may you have the courage to continue in this program because for this, you will make it sure your passion will become burning even more, and don't be so much overwhelmed because there will be a classmate and instructor that you can help you can reach out. I can share my ability in other people because as we all know, digital marketing is so huge. There are many ways you can do it, and then you can also discover your talent when it comes to designing. I'm 100% sure you need to continue this program, digital marketing, because ABM College has changed my life. I gradually establish my own business. Because of this education, I have my new career because I think and I can feel it's too late for me because if we have a family and at the age of 40 we don't want to study, right? And for this, ABM College has changed my life.